to it carefully, okay? Before we go to our video, okay, I want to ask you some questions. First, what did you see in the video? What did you see in the video? What did she do in the video? What did she do in the video? Okay, everyone? Hey, after you watched the video, okay, let's go back to our questions. First, what did you see in the video? Skateboard! Skateboard! What did she do in the video? Travel! She traveled. She traveled. Okay. For the first word, I will turn on the audio 2 times. 2 times, everyone. For the first time, I want you to listen. Just listen only. The time, listen and repeat after the audio, after the sound. Okay, first time.
Seaside.
Second time.
Seaside.
It's your turn. Seaside. Okay, one more time.
Seaside.
Okay, seaside is a place near the ocean or sea. Okay, we call seaside. Yes. And we will move on to our example. I will turn on the audio 2 times. 2 times, everyone. For the first time, you have to listen and don't speak out. Don't speak out. Second time, you listen and second time. Listen and repeat after the sound. Okay?
Hastings is a seaside town in the southeast of England. Hastings is a seaside town in the southeast of England.
You know it? Which picture? You don't know, right? So we have to listen to it again. Okay.
Hastings is a seaside town in the southeast of England.
You want it one more time?
Of England.
That's it. Yes. Okay. Who choose picture 1? Picture 1. This is our example. Yes, and then we will move on to the real activity.
There are about 100,000 people in Hastings.
What do you think is a correct answer? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which pair said 1? And answer 4. Wow! 5 people! And we need the answer together. Let's see the answer.
There are about 100,000 people in Hastings.
There are about 100,000 people. Reading strategy. Have you ever heard reading strategy? Okay, I will tell you more about the reading strategy. Okay. Do you know what scanning is? Okay, scanning is a reading technique to use to find specific information, especially when you have a question in your mind. So you can find the answer of the question by scanning. So this is the example. The question is, which of these statements is true? Could you read number 1 for me? There are only one thing to see in Hastings City. You look at. Could you see the thing to see? There are 3 things. You can see 3 things. One thing is the first thing, Blue Reef Aquarium. The third one is Hastings Country Park. But the choice said that there are only one thing to see in Hastings. So the correct answer of this question is choice number 4. Okay, are you ready to watch the video?
Things to see. Blue Reef Aquarium. You can see interesting sea animals closely through the tunnel. Fisherman's Museum. There are collections of paintings and things that fishermen used in the past.
What did you see in the video? What did you see? Sea. I'm going to learn about Hastings City. Now, I will turn on the audio 2 times. The first time you have to listen, and the second time you have to listen and repeat. Very good.
Location. Hastings is a seaside town in the southeast of England.
A seaside town. In the southeast of England. Okay, so now I will divide you into 2 sides. Location. TV. You will read this one first.
Population. There are about 100,000 people in Hastings.
I will tell you more about Hastings City. It said that Hastings City is a seaside town in the southeast of England. Do you know the word seaside? Seaside town or town near the sea. So you can see the sea. This is town and the sea. About population, there are about 100,000 people in Hastings. How many people in Hastings? 100 people. 100 people. Now we will move on to the next activity, which is the balloon game. I will tell you how to do this activity. Write the answer on this paper. Right? If this group got the highest score, will be the winner. But if you answer incorrect, will lose the balloon. Question number 1. Can you read the pattern? One of things to see. Group A, correct. Group 7, correct. Okay. Group 3, lost one balloon. Group 5, lost one balloon. Okay, everyone, let's move to the next part. That is speaking strategy using mind or gesture. Do you know the word mind or gesture? Do you know that? Yes or no? No. And let's see what is mind or gesture. Mind or gesture is a movement of the body that you use to express or show your feeling. You have to use your hand instead of your mouth. Good, right? It's good. Good. What about okay? Okay, yes. You use your hand to express your feeling. Now let's see the example. What did you see in the video? Can you give me some example? What about him? He do like this, right? Like this, and what about? Yes. You use your hand to express or show your feeling. What about happy? Or bad. Now let's move to the speaking activity. The tour guide. She is a tour guide. Now let's see the direction. For the first one, you have to read about the Hastings City. You have to read about the Hastings City, and then you have to practice from the last part. You have to practice, right? And then you have to come in front of the class to present, like you are the tour guide. And here is the guideline for presenting. Everyone read it together. Hello. Hello. And welcome to. Then you have to look at this page and write
information about Hastings City. Read the information about Hastings City and practice. Okay, who wants to go first? Are you okay coming from the class? Give a big hand to your friend.
Hello, I'm Loy. I will be your guide today. Here is Hastings City. First, Hastings is a seaside town.
There are about 100,000 people in Hastings.
If you are ready, let's go.
Okay, everybody. Who wants to go next? Are you okay? Come in front of the class. Okay, everyone, give me to your friend. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go.
Hello, all, and welcome to Hastings City. My name is Jimmy, and I will be your guide today. Okay, let me tell you about Hastings City. First, there is Bullet Aquarium, and third, there is Hastings Country Park. Let's go.
Everyone, let's go to the next activity. Listen to me. Activity is making brochure. Yeah. Now, do you know the word brochure? What is brochure? It's a small book or magazine that information about the things or place or you want to put it on this. Okay, like this. This is we call brochure. It has a picture and details about that picture. Now, this activity you have to do a brochure. For the first one, you have to search the information about your hometown, like Mahasarakham, Khon-Kaen, Roi Et. And then you have to create your brochure by yourself about your hometown. And then you have to present in front of your class or your hometown to your classmates. And here is the guideline for presenting. Give you 20 minutes to do this activity. You can do it now. Okay, everyone, time's up. Who wants to go first? Are you okay coming from the class? Everyone, you can be your friends.
It's my province, Bangkok in Thailand. There are many things to see: Castle, Kwan Tiam Market, Suan Siam, and Aruna Temple. Thank you.
Everyone, give big hand to your friends.
My home in Mahasarakham is in Thailand. There are about 100,000 people in Mahasarakham. Nadu Pagoda, Clock Tower, and Gadam Beach. Thank you.